Doing a repipe in North Hollywood today. Just got everything cut out inside. Put in a new hose bib. We haven't run the water lines yet. That's what we're about to do. We're supposed to have a tropical storm tomorrow. Did they lock us out? So because of all of this, there's concrete. The water main, the city water main is right there on the other side of that fence. So they opted to just start from here. So that's all new. I'm gonna put a relief valve right here.
Oh yeah, we needed to get in here. Yeah.
We're gonna run 1 inch, just because they were complaining about really poor water pressure. I figure we'll do 1 inch because they don't want to replace the main, which is Galvy. So we'll do 1 inch. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 1 kitchen house. So, you know, I think 1 inch will be overkill, but it's all right. We're gonna do the box later. It's supposed to storm tonight, so we're gonna pull this back. We just wanted to get it all lined up. All right, we are finishing up.
Hold on. What'd you say?
Talking to me? All right, so we are turning on the water now, and we're gonna flush everything before we install angle stops and all that. So first off, we crack the water, check for leaks, and then we open the hose bibs and everything and make sure that there's no gunk in the lines, which there will be. All right, tested everything, no leaks. We flushed the system out, hot and cold. Just building the shed. Flushed out both lines. Before we tied in the shower valve, we just left them open and flushed everything. All right, we're done. I just gotta, I'm coming back to do a few things, but we, instead of running it underneath, we did that today as well. Clean. I'm very pleased. Worked out well. I just need to put this back and we're done.